Financial Freedom 2020. Let's do it.
Let's talk about the Juice Plus compensation plan and how we earn income. We'll also review what you can accomplish during your first 60 days and your first 6 months in the business. Our income plan is divided into 3 phases. In phase 1, new representatives who are interested in building a Juice Plus business begin with our fast track plan to the virtual franchisee or VF position during their first 60 days in the business. Phase 2 involves building a Juice Plus team and takes you through the sales coordinator position, which can be achieved in 6 months or less. Phase 3 covers our 3 leadership positions: senior sales coordinator, qualifying national marketing director, and national marketing director, all of which are eligible for a monthly expense allowance and a holiday bonus. At the QNMD and NMD positions, I'll go over later how you'll also be eligible to receive a benefits package for you and your family. Let's look at how you can move to the sales coordinator position, the top commission of 22%, and I'll also explain the 3 different ways you can earn income. After you pay your $50 fee to become a new representative, the first way you can earn income is retail sales profit. This is the difference between the retail customer cost of Juice Plus and the cost to you as a representative. Let's use a 4-month supply of Juice Plus fruit, vegetable, and berry blend capsules as an example. The retail sales profit on Trio capsules is $39. It doesn't matter if you're brand new or at the highest position in our company, everyone earns $39. The second way to earn income is through commissions. There are 3 different commission levels: 6%, 14%, and 22%. So what do we earn commission on? These commissions are earned on the purchase volume credit or PVC point value of each product. Each Juice Plus product is assigned a PVC point value. Let's use the Trio capsules again as an example. A 4-month supply of the Trio capsules is worth 169.50 PVC points. So when you reach direct distributor, the 6% commission position, you'll earn the retail sales profit plus 6% of 169.50, which is another $10 for a total of $49. When you reach virtual franchisee, you'll earn the retail sales profit plus 14% of 169.50, another $24 for a total of $63. And at the sales coordinator position, you'll earn the retail sales profit plus 22% of 169.50, or another $37 for a total of $76. So the first way to earn income is with retail sales profit, and the second is by earning commissions. The third way to earn income is to qualify for and receive bonuses. And there are all kinds in our compensation plan. The first available to you are team building bonuses. You can earn these by moving through the first 3 positions in 6 months or less. To reach the direct distributor 6% position, you need to accumulate 500 PVC points in at least 30 days with your own Juice Plus order plus orders from 2 other households outside of yours. For example, 3 Trio orders, your own Trio order plus Trio orders from 2 other households would equal 500 points. Do this in 30 days or less, and you will receive a bonus of $100. This bonus is called the Healthy Living Plan because the company is encouraging you to inspire healthy living in others. To reach the virtual franchisee 14% position, you need to accumulate 2,000 points with the help of at least 1 new team member in your first 60 days. You can have more than 1 team member to do this with, but you need at least 1. You already have done 500 of these points to reach this first position, so you and your team member will accumulate the remaining 1,500 points together with a total of 8 households, you plus 7 others. This 60-day 2,000 plus bonus for accumulating these 2,000 points for reaching the virtual franchisee position is $300 for you and $300 for your sponsor. You also receive a free ticket to the next Juice Plus Live Leadership Conference, which is held twice a year in cities across the U.S. The Sales Coordinator 22% position requires 8,000 points from you and at least 3 team members, 1 direct distributor and 2 virtual franchisees. These 8,000 points come from your whole team, and you can do this in 6 months or less. This Fast Track to Sales Coordinator bonus is $600 for you, $600 for your sponsor, and another free Juice Plus Live conference ticket for you. At this point, you'll also be qualified to receive sales and leads generated by the company's online marketing efforts. As more and more people hear about Juice Plus, they might go to juiceplus.com and express interest or even place an order. Our company assigns these leads and sales to representatives who fast track to the sales coordinator position in 6 months or less. All positions are permanent. So once you reach the 6, 14, or 22%, you're always there. There's no need to go back and requalify. One of the fastest ways to reach each of these positions is something we call the power of 3. The Healthy Living Plan direct distributor position requires 3 orders, you plus 2 other households, and that's a $100 bonus. You will receive a $100 bonus plus a total retail sales profit of $117. So you will earn $217 as you're just getting started. Once you accomplish your HLP, you teach 3 others to do the same for a total of 2,000 points. You've now reached our virtual franchisee position. Remember that you get credit for your own 500 and each of their 500 points too, along with a $300 bonus for you, $300 for your sponsor, and you receive a free Juice Plus Live conference ticket. But most importantly, you'll be building a healthy team structure. Once you've done your 2,000 plus, you teach 3 others to do the same, and you're on your way to sales coordinator. Again, the power of 3 for a total of 8,000 points. That's a $600 bonus for you, $600 bonus for your sponsor, a free Juice Plus Live conference ticket for you, and those wonderful leads. Not to mention that you'll be building an excellent team and having fun together. Now, as you are accumulating customers, you'll want to qualify your business, which simply means you've built a strong customer base, and that qualifies you to earn maximum income in the compensation plan. For example, maintaining at least 24 Trio customers would qualify your business each month. We're able to maintain customers long-term with education and great customer care. Many of these customers will eventually want to join your team because they're sharing Juice Plus, so you'll simply replace that customer with a new one when they do. Qualifying your business is an important step, and once you know how to qualify your business with a strong customer base like this, you'll have the skills to teach your team members to do the same. So back to the power of 3. If you teach 3 team members to qualify their businesses, you're considered a member of the 3 Club. That is, you have 3 team members who also have qualified their businesses. If they each teach 3, you're a 12 Club member. And if that duplicates again and they all teach 3, you are now a 39 Club member, and so on and so forth. There's no ceiling on the amount of qualifiers you can have on your team. The more qualifiers you have, the more profitable you will be, and the more lives you have helped get healthy. When you reach 12 Club, you receive a bonus of $1,200, 24 Club, $2,400, 39 Club, $3,900, 50 Club, $5,000, 75 Club, $7,500, and 100 Club receives a $10,000 bonus. That's a total of $30,000 just in possible bonus money moving up the compensation plan. Why is qualifying your business so important? You can qualify starting with the virtual franchisee 14% commission position and begin earning a 5% performance bonus on your entire team, down through 3 to 5 generations of qualifiers depending on your position. Now for sales coordinators and above, there's a second bonus of 4%. We call this the promote out bonus. This 4% can be earned on your team members who you promote out to the sales coordinator top commission position and all the way up to the highest position of national marketing director. As your team grows, these two bonuses, the 5% performance bonus and the 4% promote out bonus, will create stable and lasting income. Remember that once you achieve the sales coordinator 22% commission position, you are more than halfway through the compensation plan. The top 3 leadership positions are where you can earn even bigger bonuses. The bonus money includes $1,000 for reaching senior sales coordinator, $2,000 for qualifying national marketing director, and a $4,000 bonus for reaching the highest position of national marketing director. And that's all in addition to the club bonuses I mentioned earlier. Once you achieve these leadership positions, you can also earn a business incentive bonus, or BIB, which is a monthly expense allowance the company provides you to support your large and growing Juice Plus business. This bonus can be up to $500 extra a month for a senior sales coordinator and $1,000 extra a month for a qualifying national marketing director. That's like getting a $12,000 raise when you reach QNMD. And this BIB can be up to $3,000 extra per month for a national marketing director to invest back into their business, a $36,000 raise at that position. The company gives you this monthly bonus to spend as you see fit toward building your Juice Plus business. You'll want to invest this back into your team, which will allow you to grow your business even more. Here's a quick overview of how to reach each of these leadership positions, starting with senior sales coordinator. For a senior sales coordinator, you'll need an average of 8,000 in PVC points per month from you and your team. You'll also need to expand the power of 3 to at least 4 lines of team members who have joined you, 1 sales coordinator, 2 virtual franchisees, and 1 direct distributor. The additional rewards are the $1,000 bonus I mentioned, plus a holiday bonus. You'll also be eligible to get that $500 extra a month in BIB and receive a $200 credit to a Juice Plus boot camp, which is a training weekend. These boot camps take place all over the United States throughout the year. Qualifying national marketing director is next. You'll need an average of about 20,000 in PVC points per month, again from you and your team, along with at least 4 lines of team members, 3 sales coordinators, and 1 new virtual franchisee. The rewards are a $2,000 bonus, a holiday bonus, and being eligible for $1,000 a month in BIB. People reaching this position also receive an all-expense paid trip to Q School at our corporate headquarters in Memphis, where our company brings all of the newest QNMDs together to really get to know the company and do training together. QNMDs also are eligible for a family benefits package that includes dental insurance, vision insurance, life insurance, and other benefits. There's even a college tuition reimbursement of up to $1,000 a year for anyone in your family. For a national marketing director, which is the highest position in the compensation plan, you need an average of 33,000 in PVC points per month. You also need at least 5 sales coordinator lines and 1 new virtual franchisee line as well. The rewards for reaching NMD are a $4,000 bonus, a holiday bonus, and up to $3,000 in monthly BIB. Yes, that's possibly a $36,000 raise, which I think is amazing. And then an NMD is eligible for an even bigger family benefits package that includes medical, dental, vision, and life insurance, and a college tuition reimbursement of up to $1,750 a year for anyone in your family. So what can your monthly earnings look like at each leadership position? Well, just reaching the sales coordinator position and having a qualified business yourself generates on average over $1,000 a month, $12,000 per year. Senior sales coordinators with qualified businesses average almost $2,000 a month, or about $24,000 a year. Qualifying national marketing directors with qualified businesses average almost $3,000 a month, or about $36,000 a year. And national marketing directors with qualified businesses average over $8,500 a month, more than $100,000 a year. Those are average incomes, and they can be much higher depending on how many qualified businesses you raise up on your team. Let's go back to the power of three. You find three qualifiers, who find three, and so on, and duplicate a strong team of qualifiers. Remember that you can move through this compensation plan at your own pace. I started out just wanting to pay for our family's Juice Plus. Once I saw Juice Plus changing the health of others, I wanted to share more. As I built a team, I realized I was helping so many more people improve their health with the help of a team. Our Juice Plus paychecks are a direct reflection of the number of people that we have helped. Juice Plus is a way to help bridge your nutrition gap. Our Juice Plus business is a way to help bridge your financial gap. My husband and I both worked in education, and I was a personal trainer as my second job. Our lives consisted of trading time for money. We loved what we did, but we didn't have flexibility in our lives. This business allowed us to build another income stream that eventually freed us up to enjoy life with our kids and have freedom to realize dreams that we never thought were possible. So congratulations on joining our mission of inspiring healthy living around the world. Together, we are helping thousands of people lead healthier lives.